In this video, I'll show you how to turn a 3D model into a DIY Christmas Capybara papercraft. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll be giving away the design file so you can print it out and make one yourself. Let's start with the 3D model. Next, we'll import the model into Pepakura Designer. After importing the model and adjusting it to our desired size, we'll start unfolding it. I'll fast forward this process here. Once we've finished unfolding everything, we'll then rearrange all the model pieces, getting them ready for the final print. So, let's take a quick look back at the assembly process. All right, let's print this out. We're using A4 size 180 GSM paper. There are 4 design sheets in total. After printing, we're ready to start building our model. First, carefully cut out each individual piece. Make sure to keep them organized and always be super careful with your sharp tools. Next, we'll fold and glue all the pieces of our model together. The scarf's tail has striped lines to form fringes. Make sure to cut very carefully and steadily. Dull scissors could tear the paper or completely sever the fringes. Also, glue very carefully and balance all 4 legs to keep the model from wobbling. You can customize the scarf a little bit to make it even more lively. Wishing you all a truly warm and peaceful Christmas season with your loved ones. Merry Christmas! See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe to 4H Paper Toys for more videos.